The origin of the Igbos is a theme of interest and debate to historians, anthropologists, scholars, and even to you watching me, because there will be debates in this video. Some take us down to Nri Kingdom, some take us down to Ife Kingdom in the Yoruba land, some took us to Israel, while the majority of the study people have taken is that we originated from southeast Nigeria. In all these theories, I want us to know that when the British came, they found us in our land. We didn't fall from heaven or anywhere. We were right here in eastern Nigeria. Before the British came, Igbos were decentralized villages, communities, just little villages and communities, whereby we practice what they call Ochichi Onye Kwuuche. What it means is that everybody say your mind, giving rise to the saying Ibe Weleze, meaning Igbos don't have kings. This is what we call true democracy, where every family is represented by an elder that speaks for his family when they gather during the meeting of the elders. Record of Igbo trade is dated down to the 15th century with the Portuguese, before the arrival of the Europeans, who then traded palm oil, ivory, and enslaved individuals. All this continued down to the 19th century when the British colonial force arrived. That was when they started what we call the colonial rule. This colonial rule, a lot of things happened, and some of our parents then were forced to accept Christianity, while some chose to accept it willingly. Yes, some, it was actually by force. When the British colonial force came, as they were acting on us in the east, they were acting on those in the west, and they were also working on those in the north. This gave rise to what they call the amalgamation, which happened in 1914, and that was the year Nigeria as a country was created. Nigeria means Niger area. Okay, it was when the southern protectorate was merged with the northern protectorate. This Nigeria was won gradually due to a lot of pressures and a lot of things that is happening within that period. Okay, they decided to divide the southern protectorate into two, forming what they call the western region and the eastern region. Subsequently, in 1960, because the pressure was high on the British, though they've managed to establish their indirect rule, especially in the western region and the northern region, they felt that they can as well give us independence. This Nigeria got her independence. The question of true independence should lie with you in the comment section. Are we really independent? Are you in your father's land or you're in your mother's land? Let me know at the comment section. Between 1960 and 1967, a lot happened that led to the then Biafran War, which is the Nigerian Civil War. And it is in this 1967 that Yakubu Gowon divided Eastern region into 3 states. These states include the East Central states, the River states, and the Cross River states. During this division, a lot of Igbos were left out in the rivers and in the Cross River State. Majority, or let's say almost 90%, if not 99 or 100% of those in the East Central were majorly Igbos. This was how the division started. Many years passed until 1976. General Murtala Mohammed divided this East Central into two states, which is the Imo State and the Anambra State. In my previous video of Why the Hate, some people were dropping at the comment section that Ebonyi State has never been known as Anambra State. So today I prove it to you with this video that in 1976, Ebonyi State was under Anambra State, except for the southern parts of Ebonyi, which is the Afikpo division only, which was in the Imo State. In 1991, Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida was now the president who divided this Anambra State into two states, which is Anambra and Enugu, and he divided Imo State into two, which is Abia and Imo States. Finally, the last but not the least, the youngest of all the southeastern states, our very own Ebonyi State, was created in 1996 by General Sani Abacha, whereby he got it from taking part of Enugu and then a little part of Abia, which is the Afikpo division, and made it one state, called it Ebonyi State. Currently, there is a motion in line of creation of Olu State in this 2024 by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And you know, as far as more presidents are coming, they can be dividing and dividing, they can divide no more. Maybe at the end, they will start adding back and make us back to one. But then, during all this Igbo division, a lot of Igbo lands are left out too. For instance, some people in Benue State, Kogi State, Delta State and River State is even up to even 25%, if not more. Bayelsa, Cross River, all our neighboring states, a lot of Igbos are trapped there in their own native land as native Igbos. And a lot other states, even down to very close to Cameroon, or even in Cameroon, there are a lot of Igbos trapped there. If you're one of them, drop it at the comment section. This is their native land and they are native Igbo speakers. I want to let you know that as far as you're Igbo, whether you're in America, you're in Jamaica, wherever country that you find yourself, whether you're here in the Southeast, just know that we are one and we will continue to be one. No matter the division, no matter, even if they break us to 36 states of Igbo land, we will still be one forever. Long live the Igbos. Long live the great traders. Long live Ndibai. Ndewanu.